Cosmos is a blockchain ecosystem comprising hundreds of different blockchains like Osmosis and Celestia, earning it the nickname Internet of Blockchains. These blockchains use the Inter-Blockchain Communication, or IBC protocol, to securely connect with each other and easily swap tokens. Now, if you're thinking about getting started with the vast Cosmos ecosystem, here are 5 of the most popular wallets that you can use. First up is Keplr, a non-custodial wallet that users can access through a web browser extension, web application, or mobile app. Founded in 2021 by Tony Yun and Josh Lee, Keplr has been installed by over 1 million users to access, manage, and interact with various applications built across over 40 chains on the Cosmos network. The Keplr wallet dashboard makes it easy for users to manage their assets, such as sending or receiving cryptocurrencies, viewing their total wallet value, and staking across all their connected accounts. In fact, from the dashboard, users can also stake their assets to validators and participate in governance voting. Keplr's integration with Interchain Name Service allows for users to send and receive assets with their registered identity. Keplr has diverse login options such as Google account, Ledger hardware wallets, and even existing accounts on other decentralized applications. This provides a flexible experience for users with different security needs. As a widely adopted wallet in the Cosmos ecosystem, users can enjoy an extensive experience with applications across a number of Cosmos-based blockchains and applications. Leap Wallet is another popular wallet built for the Cosmos ecosystem that is available as a mobile app, browser extension, or as a web-based application known as Leap Board. It is a non-custodial wallet that lets users manage their assets securely and seamlessly across more than 50 Cosmos SDK chains. This includes in-wallet staking, participating in governance, managing NFT collections, and more. Leap makes it a point to prioritize an intuitive experience by making IBC transfers between different Cosmos chains as simple as possible. This is enabled by abstracted channel IDs to make it easier for users to send assets. After a user enters the address and amount to be sent, Leap will match the address to the chain and set up the transfer through the right channel ID. On top of that, swapping interchain tokens and bridging funds from other ecosystems, such as Ethereum, can all be done from the wallet itself. Users can also easily participate in governance activities by browsing both active and past proposals within the wallet. Leap has also integrated ChatGPT-powered summaries to give concise breakdowns for longer proposals. For those looking to amp up security, a Ledger hardware wallet can be connected to Leap to combine the extra security of a hardware wallet with the convenience of Leap. Next up on our list is Cosmostation, a Web3 project that has been contributing to more than 50 protocols since 2018. Their portfolio of products include the popular MintScan Block Explorer, a node validator service, and of course a non-custodial crypto wallet designed for the Cosmos network. Cosmostation is a non-custodial wallet available as a mobile app, web application, and browser extension. It supports networks built with the Cosmos SDK, allowing users to access and perform transactions easily. It supports over 60 blockchains, including Cosmos, Ethereum, and Suite. Users can create new wallets, import existing wallets, or even add watch-only wallets. Citadel.one claims to provide a new level of access to the world of crypto through its intuitive user experience that covers all user needs. This non-custodial wallet aims to create a multi-chain solution that solves the major shortcomings of the crypto world with extended analytical functionality and built-in applications. With Citadel.one, users can create and manage addresses for more than 40 networks with just one seed phrase, as well as stake assets to earn yield. Track transaction history, balances, and other metrics from this wallet while accessing multiple applications. Now, for those filing taxes in the United States, transaction data can also be exported in a CSV format aligned with the US tax style for convenience. The wallet also allows users to vote on proposals that can determine its future. Now, last on our list is not exactly a Cosmos wallet. Metamask is a popular wallet that allows users to store, manage, and transfer Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It was developed in 2016 by Consensus and operates as a browser extension and mobile app. However, the recently launched Metamask Snaps feature enables developers to directly plug extensions into Metamask and allows users to tap into Metamask's functionalities with non-EVM ecosystems. Leap Wallet has developed Leap Cosmos Snap for users to connect with the Cosmos ecosystem. With this snap, users can manage assets, connect to applications of the Cosmos network, and sign transactions seamlessly within MetaMask. Similarly, Mystic Labs, a software company dedicated to integrating non-Ethereum ecosystems with Ethereum's user experience, has also developed their own Cosmos Snap that carries out the same functionalities of a Cosmos-based wallet. Well, that's a wrap for our list of Cosmos wallets. Let us know in the comments below which wallet you're using. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to stay updated on what's happening in crypto, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.